Welcome everyone to break 670 for the 2013 Panini Limited Football Card Box Break. Thanks everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Friday, March 29th, 2019, 9:04 p.m. Pacific Time, 11:04 p.m. Central Time, and it is March 30th, Saturday, 2019, 12:04 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Chris with 12 spots, Rob with 1, Houston 6, Tony 9, and Nathan with 4 spots. Gonna randomize you guys 7 times to determine your teams for the break. Chris is on top, Nathan's on the bottom. Good luck once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 puts Chris on top, Tony on the bottom. Chris, you have the Cardinals, Houston Falcons, Chris Ravens and Bills, Houston Panthers, Chris Bears, Bengals, Houston Browns, Tony Cowboys, Chris with the Broncos, Nathan Lions, Houston Packers, Tony Texans, Rob Colts, Nathan Jaguars, Tony Chiefs, Nathan Dolphins, Chris Vikings, Patriots, Tony Saints, Giants, Chris Jets, Raiders, Eagles, Tony Steelers, Chris Chargers, Tony 49ers, Houston Seahawks, Nathan Rams, Houston Buccaneers, Tony Titans, and last but not least, the Washington Redskins. Here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey, where the card will go. Some of these packs do have an 8th card inside. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a bonus card in this box. First up, we have Nick Casa for the Oakland Raiders, rookie out of 299. Cincinnati Bengals, Jermaine Gresham, 203 out of, 263 out of 399. Big Ben Roethlisberger, Pittsburgh Steelers, 310 out of 399. Ace Sanders, rookie for the Jacksonville Jaguars, 161 out of 299. First, for the Seattle Seahawks, we have a Field Vision of Richard Sherman, checkout advisor. We have a John Elway Denver Broncos Jumbo Jersey, 12 out of 25. How about that? 12 out of 25 of John Elway. Game used jersey. Game 1 material. We have Jamal Charles, limited threads out of 99. We have 26 out of 99. And then last but not least, we have a Marcus Lattimore rookie auto patch out of 299 for the San Francisco 49ers. Maybe. There you go. Alright, let's go back through and see who's getting what. We shall see. Alright, first up, Jacksonville Jaguars. Jacksonville Jaguars is going to Nathan. Congrats, Nathan. We have Ben Roethlisberger, Pittsburgh Steelers. Pittsburgh Steelers is going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. Cincinnati Bengals. Cincinnati Bengals is going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. We have the Oakland Raiders. Oakland Raiders is going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. Then we have the Field Vision. Seattle Seahawks. Richard Sherman. Seattle Seahawks is going to Houston, 2011. Congrats. We have the Kansas City Chiefs, Jamal Charles, limited threads out of 99. Kansas City Chiefs is going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. The Marcus Lattimore rookie auto patch jersey, numbered. For the San Francisco 49ers. San Francisco 49ers is going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. And then last but not least, we have John Elway. 12 out of 25 for the Denver Broncos game used jersey. Denver Broncos is going to Chris. Congrats, Chris. And that wraps up break 670 for the 2013 Panini Limited Football Box. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you guys soon, and please stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.